Saving is so much easier said than done. One of the questions I get most often is, how do you even begin to come up with the money to pay off debts? Or how do you save to buy a house or to travel or to buy nice things? And it can seem impossible either if you're on a low income or you've already got mountains of bills. In this video today, I'm gonna share with you how you can save no matter what your income, what your situation, what your amount of debt is, as well as how you can start making more money. I was able to use these tips myself because I have an irregular income. I work solely on commission. Sometimes I have slower months. I was able to use these tips to save up and to build an emergency and backup fund so that when I have slower months, I can still live happily and freely. And additionally, I use these tips to help my clients who are struggling to come up with a down payment to buy a house. So if you are one of those who wants to learn how to save more money and make more money, then stay tuned. Hey honeybees, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ciara. I do videos on beauty, lifestyle, and finance. I love to talk about building wealth because I work full-time as a mortgage loan officer and I help people to become homeowners and to build wealth, but also I'm just passionate about empowering others to empower themselves. If you are new, I hope you will subscribe and become a part of the Honeybee fam. Before we get started and I give you all of my secrets to saving, I want to give a big shout out to FabFitFun, who I am partnering with on this video. They just released their fall subscription box. It is a seasonal subscription box and they give you full-size products related to lifestyle, beauty, fitness. Each box is $49.99, but it's valued at over $200 of products for each box. And that's why I really wanted to work with FabFitFun. Also, you can save money by using them as gifts. Say you get something that you don't love that season. You can save it and hold on to it for birthday gifts, Christmas gifts. You can get $10 off your first box by using my code, which is HONEYDIP10. And FabFitFun now lets you customize your own box, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got in mind. So here is my FabFitFun box for fall. Getting the FabFitFun box is super worth it and it can save you tons of money. Right off the bat, I've got an $80 gift card for HelloFresh. The box already pays for itself with that. This Ipare 2-in-1 grinder, I actually have been wanting one of these for a long time. Now I got one in my FabFitFun box. Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. This is my jam. You guys, Aveda products are so luxurious and I cannot believe I got this in my box. Humankind Body Souffle. It's vegan and cruelty-free and you get a full size. And Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relax Roller Ball. It just helps you relax and sleep better. Ooh, Juice Cleanse Exfoliating Sugar Cube. This is for my bath and body lovers. You get a lot. This smells so good. I wish there was smell-o-vision where you guys could smell it right now. It smells like fruit or honeydew or watermelon, maybe all three. Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. There is a whole flat iron in this box. This is by Amika. This is exciting because the box pays for itself with even just this flat iron. So this is what I'm talking about when I say you guys get a lot of value. And there's still more stuff. What is this? It's a gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board. This is really nice. If it's not something that you can use, you can definitely save these as gifts. This is a whole gift set and Christmas is coming up. I'm not gonna lie, I actually want to use this myself, so I will be keeping it. Now I know I have viewers from everywhere, so you can get the FabFitFun in the US, Canada, and the UK. Another thing that I really love about FabFitFun is that they partner with charities every season as well as female-founded businesses. I love promoting female empowerment and entrepreneurship. Sign up now if you love what I got and you can customize your own, and there'll be another box next season, and so there'll be even more to look forward to. And because I am super curious, I need to see how much each of these things retails for because I want to see just how much you're saving dollar for dollar. The grinder retails for $21.95. The twine cheese board plate retails for $30. The flat iron actually retails for $80. Well, that alone already pays for the box itself. The body souffle is $18. The Aveda Damage Remedy Hair Repair, $30 by itself. The sugar cubes are $16. The Cosmetic Pure C mixing crystals retail for $54. The Aromatherapy Relaxation Rollerball retails for $29. So my box totaled to $278.95 for just $49.99. And then if it's your first box and you get that $10 off coupon code, which I'll link below, that is $39.99. $278 worth of products for $40 if it's your first box. That is crazy. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for partnering with me in this video. I am beyond pleased with everything I got. I hope you guys will check it out. I will link below FabFitFun as well as the coupon code so you can take advantage of all the savings. All right, let's get into these money saving tips and tricks. I like to say that saving money is like losing weight. The same way calories in versus calories out equates to how much weight you lose, money in and money out is going to determine how much money you save. So the key to saving money is to have more money coming in than money that is going out. You have to either make more money, save more money, or do a little bit of both. So I'm going to teach you how to do all three and how to save some money. To stop limiting yourself by trading your time for money. That means tapping into multiple streams of income as well as passive income. Always have a career and a side hustle. That is something I have lived by my entire life and I'm so glad I did. A side hustle can be something you do either for fun as a hobby. It can be something that you are passionate about, but it is something that you do on the side that will also make you money. And it's a plus if your side hustle is your passion because then it doesn't feel like you're working. This is going to be your second stream of income that you have outside of your career that's going to help supplement your main income. If you guys want me to do a video on side hustles, I have so many side hustle ideas that can make you money and I'm happy to talk about those. So definitely smash the like button if you guys want a video on side hustles. Start monetizing any value you can bring to someone else. And a great idea is to start doing this with family and friends. If you're really good at doing hair, then start doing hair for your family and friends for a small fee. And if you find joy in it and you're good at it, then it will flourish from there. A side hustle may be blogging, being a YouTuber. For me, that's what mine is. And I started off at the age of 13 by doing a kids news network on a CBS affiliate, and I would get paid to report the news in the studio and on the field. Commercials, campaigns, starting my YouTube channel, all of this has been a passion of mine that I turned into a side hustle. So my main tip for finding a side hustle: monetize the value you bring to other people. Start with your inner circle. They can trust you and they can help provide you experience and income. But there are so many ways to earn passive income. And if you're not sure what passive income is, it's something that you can put time and effort into, which will multiply your income without you having to trade time for money. Having multiple streams of income, and if you're able to, having sources of passive income is a great way to bring more money in. Another very obvious way to start making more money is to consider your current income and ways that you can increase it, whether that is asking for a raise or if that's going to another job that may pay you more. I'm happy to do a video in itself about how you can get a raise, guaranteed way that you can get a raise at your job. So if you want to see that video, let me know. You never want to stay complacent. You always want to be improving on your skills and your job, make you more valuable to whatever company that you're with. And if you find that you are providing more and more value to a specific company and you're not receiving an increase in your income, then you may need to look to another company. Now, if you're one of those people who says, hey Ciara, that's great, those tips are awesome, but what can I implement now? One thing that has always helped me to lose weight when I need to is to find what I love in terms of junk food that is not good for me and to make it healthy. The same thing goes for saving. Find what it is that you love to spend the most money on and make it skinnier. Find a way to make it cheaper to where you won't spend as much money. Learn to sacrifice but still be able to spend money on the things you like. The next way to decrease your money out is to prioritize. Concentrate your money on things that you really value and to decrease money in areas that you don't. So for example, for me, I really value living in a nice place with lots of amenities. So I spend more monthly on my rent than someone else my age who's single and lives alone probably does. I just like to be in an environment where I'm comfortable because it affects every other area of my life. Additionally, I do work from home full time now, and it is a tax write-off for me to have my own home office. But because it is so important to me to spend a little bit more on where I live, then I need to decrease money in other areas. So for me, it's not important for me to drive a really nice car. Find what it is that is really important to you, and then where it's not important to you, just greatly decrease your money there. You know, if you see a pizza and pizza's your favorite food, then you are gonna go crazy one day and you're gonna binge. Eating a little bit of pizza here and there while also having your salads most of the time is a better way to lose weight because you have more balance. The same thing goes with saving money and spending money. Spend money where you really need to and want to, but find a way to decrease it in other areas where you don't need to. Spend money on things that make you money. I don't spend significant amounts of money on anything that is not going to make me money. I use the example of where I live. I spend a little bit more on where I live, but I do that because it is important for how I make money. I do work from home, so having my own home office is tax deductible, and that helps decrease the amount of money I spend on taxes. It also is contributing to my level of productivity for work, and that helps me to make money. I think it goes without saying, even though I'm about to say it, the next way to decrease your money out is to budget. This is so obvious, but enough people don't do this. And when I say budget, I mean you literally have a written budget. I do what's called a zero-based budget, meaning that I start with however much money I have made exactly down to the penny, and I budget every single penny of my money all the way down to zero. The big key to this is making a realistic budget, realistic expectations. If you know that your gas costs $40 a week for you to get back and forth from work and wherever you have to go, then don't budget $20 and try to squeeze yourself into that. Treat your saving almost as another bill. The same way you are going to set aside $40 for your gas, set aside that $40 or however much you designate to save every month as if it were a bill. Saving is important. It's not just an option. It's something that you have to do, even if it's just a little bit. As you start making more money, you should be able to start increasing how much you are saving. Another way to decrease your spending is to take advantage of assistance programs. Take advantage of scholarships. Here in Louisiana, there are programs that are geared towards people who make a certain income or live in certain areas, and the government will pay your energy bill. And The reason people don't take advantage of some of these things is because number one, they don't know, and number two, they care not to know. You have to do your research. There's so many ways to get assistance and to get just free money. Go on Google and do Google searches. Churches have programs for assistance. Fundraisers. I used to do a lot of fundraisers growing up when I wanted to go on trips for my dance company. If I had a need, I found a way to get some type of assistance. There is so much free money waiting for you. You honestly just have to look for it. Okay, so now I am going to kind of talk about some saving hack to save no matter what. So one saving hack that I have tried and has worked really well for me in the past is to have an accountability partner. Find a way to draw in someone else that will hold you to your standards that you've set and will keep you accountable for that goal. Another saving hack is to use sinking funds. Sinking funds are different categories that you save in throughout the year, and you are able to use those funds as you need them for the specific categories. So, for example, I get my hair done 4 times a year at the beauty shop. That costs $50 each time. Then I need $200 total for that entire year. And so instead of having to alter my budget every time I have to get my hair done, I can put money into my beauty or my hair sinking fund every time I get paid until I have the full $200. You can also do this with car maintenance. Your car needs an oil change and you have to do your registration. Add up what that total is and then break that down between every month of the year, so you are saving a specific amount each month or however often in order to cover the cost of that for the entire year. I have a beauty sinking fund like for my makeup. I never know when I'm gonna run out of makeup and when I'll need to buy more. So instead of having to figure out how to come up with the money every time, I can just go into my sinking fund whenever the need arrives. You can use it for taxes if you're somebody who has to pay taxes from your self-employment or your 1099 income. So this is not something that is necessary. It's just a way to keep yourself organized and focused. Another hack that I have used before is when you buy something, sell something. A lot of people go by the saying that you should give a piece of clothing away every time you buy one, and that keeps you from accumulating too many unnecessary clothes. If you go out and you buy a new coat, find one of your coats that you already have and you can sell that. Another way to save money is to allow yourself the time. You have to be patient. I did not title this How to Get Rich Quick, How to Save Money Quick. Give yourself enough time to where you can adequately save for what you need. So just as if you were trying to lose weight, instead of going from never working out to working out every day, saving is the same way. Start off small. As you accomplish smaller goals, use that mental focus and motivation and confidence in order to work towards your larger savings goals. It's not an overnight thing, and you need to condition your mind to know that and to be okay with that, because your thoughts actually translate to your actions, and the first step to wealth is to actually change your mindset and to change your thinking and to be positive, to be generous, because when you're generous, the world brings more things back to you. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If there was anything in this video that was helpful for you, please hit the like button because it lets me know you like it and that I should make more. Comment below on any other videos you want me to do. Subscribe for more videos, hit the bell button for notifications, and I will see you in my next video.